Right, folks, what
have we got this month?
This box?
Looks very interesting.
Oh, I like the company. It's called Wiggly Wigglers.
Gives you a clue.
This is an Herbalife wormery.
Okay.
So what
is a wormery, you're going to say?
Well, it's something that's got worms in it, and I think those could be it. And okay, why would we want a wormery? Should we get it out?
Yeah, let's help you. There's a lot of bits in here.
Yeah. I mean, worms create
It is heavy.
fantastic compost, don't they, Steve?
They do. Oh. Yeah. It's sort of a mini alternative to a compost bin in a way, isn't it?
Yeah.
So get rid of this box.
So with this kit, I'm not going to set it all up just to show you what's in it. It's a wormery, creates fantastic compost, but you can also get worm tea, which doesn't sound too delightful.
Doesn't sound very appetising, no.
But you know, the worm, you put all your kitchen scraps inside, and the worms then will create lovely compost for you. And also at the bottom, you can actually gather the compost tea, which is also great. Yeah,
so you get sort of two products out of it, don't you? You get your compost, which you can use as potting compost or mix in with the soil, and your fertiliser, the liquid fertiliser out the bottom.
Yeah, it's odour free. You can have it outside, or you put it in your kitchen. So basically, you put your kitchen scraps in, and the worms work on it, create this wonderful compost. It takes a bit of time, and you just add more of your kitchen scraps. Your veg, really, your fruit.
Yeah, virtually anything really.
So there's live worms in there.
There is live worms.
Yeah. Well, see if we can.
How do they survive then?
I'll be opening those if you like.
Well, they don't need they don't need light, really, do they?
No, they don't. In fact, they prefer it dark. So once you put the lid on and everything.
Yeah. There's some scissors there.
Oh, have you got some better scissors? Oh, thanks, Thea. Cool, nice tough old bag.
We have several trays. Do you want to take that one, yeah? Tap, the bottom, at the bottom, and there all your tea will gather. The compost will gather inside one of these, and you add your scraps to the one over there.
There you go, got your composting worms. There's lots in here.
Let's have a look.
Over here.
Ooh,
there you go.
Look at those beauties.
Oh yeah, they're lovely.
God.
Very healthy. Wriggling away. Hungry. They look very hungry.
Yeah.
I'm a bit worried actually. I'm going to put them back before they start.
Yeah. Start eating you.
Start eating me. Yeah. So plenty in there. So what else do we get?
Well, there's some lime because it can get a bit acidic depending on what you add to it. So the lime there will make it less acidic. And there was some feed, wasn't there?
Well, that's right. Yeah. Some pellets.
Some pellets to feed the worms as well, which you give worm treat. A special mixture of all the things that the worms love best.
Yeah, I think they help to dry it out as well, because when you're putting in lots of kitchen waste, you get quite a lot of water.
Yeah.
And it can get a bit soggy for the worms, so that helps to dry it out a bit.
And that's the moisture mass.
Insulating sort of mat in the top. And you get several trays, don't you? So you
can build them up.
You build them up, so you get a sort of sump in the bottom for your liquid.
Yeah.
And then the tray on top.
Yeah. So really
for your worms and all the waste.
Really, really professional kit, isn't it?
It is. Yeah. That's very good. It's very posh as well. You've got some nice legs here to put it on.
Put your legs on.
You get a tap so that you can draw off the liquid which you put in the bottom. A shovel for getting out your compost at the end. Oh, and a bit of some fly paper as well, because there is just the risk you get a few flies on coming off of it if you at certain times of the year, and that's
but that sticky paper
but that
will
soon
sort
put
them
pay
out,
to those. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and one really good thing is the instructions are very good.
Hurrah!
There's always lots of nice diagrams to show you how to do it. Unfortunately, I haven't got time to put it all together today, but yeah.
It's a very nice
fun
kit.
which will produce some lovely compost.